channel, and today I'll be cooking Caesar rice for you, the Jamaican style, just the way we all like it. So come over here and look at my ingredients. So I have right here, I have 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped. I have a large green scotch bonnet pepper. I have 2 stalks of scallion and about 3 pieces of thyme, and I have 3 cloves of garlic. I have a medium-sized onion chopped. I have a large sweet pepper, bell pepper chopped, and of course the saltfish, codfish, and rice, of course, white rice. And here we have some ackee. This ackee was in my freezer, still just lovely, just as lovely. And right here we have the pumpkin, because of course pumpkin have it in there. And then guys, you know, we're just going to put, right now my pot is on the stove with my water boiling, and then I'm going to add my ackee and my saltfish to it, and then I'll come back and I'll give you an update on the finished product or midway through. Guys, my ackee and saltfish has finished boiling just the way I like it. And I'm going to go ahead now and fry up my ingredients. Yes, that oil was super hot. Let me just get so that I get all my onions. My sweet pepper, my thyme, scallion, garlic, and pepper, and my pumpkin chopped. Just give that a quick stir, guys. Smelling oh so lovely. Just turn back up my stove to like medium or little lower than medium. Add my saltfish that I picked and deboned. And my ackee. Give this another quick stir, guys. This is the way how I cook my seasoned rice. First, I attempt it like I am cooking ackee and saltfish. This way is perfect. The rice doesn't even stick. Going to add our rice now, guys. Stir it to incorporate all that ingredients that we have in the pot. That scallion can be so troublesome at times. Get some water now. And just pour your water, guys. And then you can add your butter, your salt, depending on your preference. So just give this a quick mix to ensure that you have enough water. See that, guys? Looking so beautiful, right? Flavorful and colorful. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to test if I want some salt. Yes, my pot definitely needs salt, so little less teaspoon, or just make it a teaspoon. That should be good enough. Because remember that saltfish is already in this, so you don't want it too salty. Let me just go and add my butter, and then we just allow it to cook. Go ahead. Add the butter. Guys, you will love this dish. If you've never cooked Caesar rice before, wanted to try it and you've never tried it, try it this way. You won't lose. So we're just gonna leave this now to just cook, and then I'll show you guys the finished product, of course. So stay tuned. So guys, my seasoned rice has just finished cooking, and come and take a look at the finished product. Look at this richness. So you have my pumpkin, you have my saltfish, you can see bits of my ackee. Just look at this color. You see the tomato, and of course, you know, my scallion for garnish, and of course I have my avocado, guys. This is delicious. So let me just bite in. Right? This body. And I don't throw me cooking, so don't say I throw me cooking. Trust me, if you have had Caesar rice before, you will have known what I'm talking about. And of course, wash it down with some pineapple soda. I love my pineapple soda. Guys, this is just fast, simple, and just cook a one-man pot. Just mix up everything. This is it right here. You can put whatever you want in your Caesar rice, whatever meat. Some people want to do salt mackerel. Some people do tin mackerel. Omar was requesting it with corn pork, like, or salt beef. I don't even remember which one, but I'm like, I've never tried that before. I think I should try that recipe and tell you guys how it tastes. Well, it's nice. I'm trying to cook it again. I'm right there behind the camera for me like, more in my one too. I'm so evil, I know. Sorry, babes, I love you. But guys, you want to see my face. Guys, So, what are you guys having today? And I hope you're all staying safe in this COVID-19 period. Again, wash your hands regularly, wear your mask in public. Don't gather if you don't have to gather. Don't go on any road splurge if you don't have to. So just use your time wisely. Stay home, think about things to do, something new, creative. Stay home and watch my videos. Like my videos, share, and of course subscribe. You know, until next time, lovies, I love you guys. Walk good.